Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your X2 Power Jump Starter. First, always prioritize safety. Wear gloves and eye protection to prevent any accidents. Before connecting, ensure your vehicle's battery is a standard 12-volt system. Familiarize yourself with the jump starter's components, including the positive and negative clamps and the power button. This preparation ensures a safe and effective jump start every time. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from moving parts. It's crucial to avoid connecting the negative clamp directly to the negative battery terminal to prevent potential sparks. This setup ensures a safe and proper electrical connection. With the clamps securely attached, it's time to start your engine. Turn on your X2 Power Jump Starter. Then, get into your vehicle and attempt to start it for no more than 5 seconds. If the engine doesn't turn over immediately, wait at least 60 seconds before trying again. This allows the jump starter to cool down and prevents overheating. Usually, 1 or 2 attempts are sufficient to get your vehicle running. Once your vehicle is running, it's time to disconnect the jump starter. Always remove the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp. After each use, it's essential to fully recharge your X2 Power Jump Starter to ensure it's ready for the next emergency. Store it in a cool, dry place, like your trunk or garage, away from extreme temperatures. Proper care extends its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.